Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically it's from the brand called Andar, and pretty much what this is the Apollo wallet that they have. They have multiple wallets, but this one in particular actually stands out to me the most. So first thing first, let me open up and show you guys what the product looks like and what comes out the package first. So when you guys open the product itself, this is how you guys open it. Very cool and interesting kind of like opening right here. Definitely has that very unique and vintage design of like the opening and everything. They do provide you a little thank you card right here in the beginning. In the package itself, you guys can see that's in a very nice little cotton bag right here, which is pretty cool. And then once you guys take out the product itself, this is basically what it looks like. Looks very nice and everything. They have the little logo right there. And then you guys can put like a card right here. So basically once you guys put in a card right here, you guys have the option right here to kind of push it out. So it has easy access, which is pretty nice. But when we open the product itself, you guys can see this is what it looks like. It has a logo right here. You guys can put your ID right here. It has a clip right here that's very nice. That actually clips your money pretty safely. So once you guys clip it like that, the money will stay in correctly like that. It won't fall off, which is pretty cool because the clip itself is pretty strong. And as you can see right here, there's some more slots right here that you can put your card. I believe for this wallet itself, they can put up to like 10 cards if you guys want to. But you guys definitely get that very minimal kind of design of like not bulky wallet. So if you guys take a look right here on the listing, they show you guys a picture of what exactly they mean. So this is like your typical wallet that you guys have. And this is what you guys have right here. So it's like much smaller. And then probably the last thing that I want to talk to you guys about is the fact that the wallet itself is RFID built in. So you guys don't have to worry about people scanning your card and whatnot to steal your identity and whatnot. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me just do a quick test of the product itself to show you guys what it looks like to have like a bunch of cards and money in here, and then come back and talk more about the product itself. Alright, so here we have the wallet. We're gonna put in a bunch of cards to show you guys what it looks like. So basically this is what it looks like when you guys have 10 cards, and it's actually really easy to access each slot if you guys can see. So you guys can just pull all these out if you guys can see, and then just remove it and put it back in like this. Same thing for this side. If you guys want to move each one, just take it out like this, and then you guys can put it back in like that. And then the front part right here is really easy to access as well. So just have to push each one out like this, and just grab it out like that if you guys want to. And then one slot that you guys don't know about that I didn't show in the video itself is right here. You guys can actually put some cards in here as well. So let me take out some of these to show you guys what I mean. So they say that you guys can put up to 10 cards, but you can see that you guys can put actually more than 10 cards in here. So that's pretty cool. And then once you guys finish putting cards in here, you just want to pull this little slip right here, and it busts out all your cards right here. You have to just go about your day and just use your card just like that. So really cool design overall, but let's try putting on some money inside and show you guys what it looks like. So I do have some money in here, so let me put it on here to show you guys what it looks like. Open the clip right there. Make sure it's put in correctly like this. Clip it in place like that, and then you guys are all set. So you guys can just close your wallet, and this is basically what it looks like. Definitely really small and compact. In terms of the clip itself, it's not the strongest if you guys put a lot of dollar bills or a lot of bills inside. So you guys can shake it like really hard, then it'll come off. But if you guys don't shake it off like really hard, then it most likely will not come off. So that's definitely another thing to kind of consider, but it is still a good wallet other than the issue of this clip right here. But definitely makes your life a lot more easier and handy to have this clip option, so it's easy access, and it's definitely a really small and compact wallet if you guys can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product itself, you guys can see that it actually works really well. It carries a lot of cards, and like the overall material itself feels super nice and super premium. Like you definitely feel that very nice kind of leather material on here. Like the overall craftsmanship of the actual product itself is pretty nice. They have the little logo right here. Everything's designed really nicely. You definitely feel that premium quality itself on the wallet. And just like how I mentioned earlier, the cool thing about this product is the fact that it does have the RFID built in, so people can't steal your identity or steal your cards by using frequency to steal it and whatnot. And honestly, I think this is a really good gift if you guys want to give this to your friends or families and whatnot, because of how minimal it is. And if you guys don't like this design, they do have other designs in their website itself. If you guys want to see more of their product, then make sure to comment down in the comment section down below, because most likely I'm going to buy another one as a gift for friends or families. But now that we did a quick unboxing and testing of the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So to be honest with you guys, I have to say that this product is actually worth it if you guys need one or want one of these. Especially if you guys are looking for like a premium leather wallet that doesn't stick out too much or doesn't get too bulky and whatnot, that can carry like minimal amount of stuff and easy access, like all the functionality that I showed you guys, then this product is definitely worth it in those cases. But then obviously for those guys who don't want one or don't need one or have no use for one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else they actually do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product itself. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout day we have